Asus 15.6 inches high-performance laptop computer, X555Qa. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. This is the best computer I have ever bought. I've had Dell, Sony, Samsung and HP over the years, many years. The SSD gives excellent performance. I am not a gamer, I use this for small business and internet use. My daughter gave me her Chromebook because my Samsung got saltwater damage and was ruined. I hated the Chromebook and knew I just had to buy another PC. On Prime Deal Day I purchased this Asus and am so pleased. I have the version with Win 10 Home. For the price I think this product performs well. I've had it for a little over a week. Something that might be an issue for people wanting to use the device in a quiet public space: the keyboard is kind of noisy, typing resonates within the housing like it's not insulated. Would definitely be audible to other people sitting at the same table as you in a library. People who want to be able to lower and raise the volume with one hand, and don't have large hands, will find it's not possible to do because the FN plus volume keys are too far apart. The touchpad and area around it do remain very cool, as advertised. Plenty of space to rest your wrists. It struggles a bit to run the current build of WaterFox, but that isn't the most optimized browser that ever existed, so YMMV. Watching movies at night in a dark room, the screen could definitely use more contrast. Blacks aren't really black. I may have to fiddle with the settings applications more to find a way to adjust this. If I do, I'll edit this review. I bought this to have a portable, usable computer while traveling to and from work to avoid having more work waiting for me at home, and this does the job just fine. Product description. Windows 10 operating system. Windows 10 brings back the Start menu from Windows 7 and introduces new features, like the Edge web browser that lets you mark up web pages on your screen. A129720p processor. AMD quad-core A129720p APU, 2.7 GHz base frequency, up to 3.6 GHz burst frequency, 2 MB cache. 15.6-inch display. Typical 1366 by 768 HD resolution. Energy-efficient LED backlight. 8 GB DDR4 for advanced multitasking. Substantial high-bandwidth RAM to smoothly run your games and photo and video editing applications, as well as multiple programs and browser tabs all at once. 128 GB SSD. While offering less storage space than a hard drive, a flash-based SSD has no moving parts, resulting in faster startup times and data access, no noise, and reduced heat production and power draw on the battery. AMD Radeon R7. Integrated graphics chipset with shared video memory provides solid image quality for internet use, movies, basic photo editing and casual gaming. Built-in media reader for simple photo transfer. Supports SD, SDHC and SDXC memory card formats. Wireless and wired network connectivity. Wireless B, Wireless G, Wireless N, Bluetooth. Ports. Headphone jack, yes. USB ports, total, 3. USB 2.0 Type-A ports, 1. USB 3.0 Type-A ports, 2 HDMI outputs, total, 1 VGA ports, 1 dimension. Height, 1 inches width, 15 inches depth, 10.1 inches weight, 5.07 pounds overall. Great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.